as far as the specificity of our capacity to write rules would be addressed.
Thank you. Any other questions from the committee? If not, Senator Essman may make a closing statement.
Mr. Chairman, members of the committee, first, I missed part of my opening, and that was to recognize the work of the Interim Committee of Child and Family Services for a tremendous amount of time that they and staff put in developing House Bill 68. Parts of this bill, significant parts of this committee bill, were pulled from that effort. Parts of this bill were pulled from Senator Vukovic's bill, which dealt with the situation involving a minor child. Parts of this bill were pulled from Representative Berry's bill with respect to the telemedicine provisions. I want to respect and honor their work in terms of bringing those concepts forward. I do wish to address the concerns about the transition. As the bill is drafted right now, when it's effective on passage and approval, the existing industry, and I'm almost reluctant to refer to it in that fashion, but they see themselves as that, would be on notice that they have to do two things, either together or in cooperation. Number one, they would need to begin winding down their business model in order to go out of business by July 1. Number two, they have an opportunity to seek new licensing authority from the state licensing authority to be either a newly licensed grower or a newly licensed product manufacturer. If they would achieve that licensing status prior to July 1, during that hiatus, the state licensing authority could allow them to maintain nursery stock on a certain supply under controlled conditions for the period until the period when they would resume operation as under the new organizational format, that not-for-profit. With respect to an individual card holder, the transition would provide that they can maintain under their existing card a certain number of plants and amount through that hiatus period. So that the concerns raised by Ms. Trigo would be covered. There was reference before by Ms. Lane that there's no guarantee that the severability provisions in this statute would protect all or part of it from being attacked or struck down. I'm pretty sure that regardless of what difficult solution this legislature arrives at, and I am confident it will arrive at a solution because it must arrive at a solution, I'm pretty sure we're going to be guaranteed that not everybody's going to be happy. We heard all sorts of opinions from all different directions. We have to resolve this. We must resolve this in order to deal with the public safety issue that's been raised. It's evident. We know it. This bill is our best attempt to offer a committee product to the full committee that can work its will on this bill. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to do so.
Thank you. This will close the hearing on Senate Bill 423. Committee members realize we have to be on the floor at 12 o'clock sharp. Thank you to everyone on both sides of the issue, on all sides of the issue, I should say, for a good hearing. We're in adjournment.